Everybody, I'm just going to give you a demonstration how to change the door lock on an Indesit washing machine. This came today. The model I'm going to do it on is a IWDE 7145K. The part is Whirlpool, but they own Indesit anyway. And that's the lock. Alright. Problem I'm having is all the lights flashing when it's been on a cycle, and then it won't let you unlock the door. Way we got around that was actually to unplug the machine and plug it back in, and it was all good. But I believe the fault is the lock. So first thing we need to do is remove the rubber around the door, and the way you do that, if you can get down here and have a look, there's a little spring under there. Not coming across very well, but you need to just locate the end of it. I'm just using a brad-awl tool, and we can find the little loop. There it is. Yeah, there you go. Oh, come on. Oh. Not easy to get at. There you go. Right. Pull the spring, and then you can release the wire all the way around like that, and that's it. Right, that was located around 7-8 o'clock on the door there. And then the rubber seal itself just pulls away. There's a lip, as you can see, comes round and up, and that rubber just sort of lips over that. So you just pull it away all the way around. There you go. Sometimes you can keep that in there, but this one might not want to stay. No. So if you want to look around here, you can see where the door lock's located. You can get your hand in. Plenty of room there. Some models have, if you want to zoom out to the front there, some models have 2 screws here. This one's just pips. If you look at the replacement one, you see where they are there. And I'll just show you how to get that lock out. So what you have to do is sort of pull on the back of the lock, and you sort of press in on the actual pip at the top, and then at the bottom, and it pops, and you'll remove it like at a 45-degree angle, pushing it away from the door. Once you've released it, you can bring it out on the wires. Just comparing it to the new one, it's a slight difference, but all being well, it'll be the one for this. Doesn't matter if it's slightly different, they can change things, can't they? Right, you just pull the connector off. Sometimes you need to tease it out. There you go. So put the new one in. Clip. On this model there's no extra brackets or anything like that. It's just basically clips back in. Like I said, on removal it's kind of a 45-degree angle. You push that through the opening there, and then push it across, and it's in. And that's it, hopefully. And then it's a simple case of reversing the fitting procedure of the door frame there. So we're not going to go through all that. Refitting the spring and that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful for you. Pretty poor words, isn't it?